Hi and welcome to a short video on converting my Erde 122 trailer to be double height. First of all, I had to remove the fixings from the original trailer using a 10mm socket for the hard top. And then I started to take off the mud guards and side panels from the donor trailer that I'd purchased separately. And all of the bolts can be removed with a 13mm or a 10mm socket. And there's various bolts underneath to pull off all of the side panels, which you can see here. But once you've taken them off, it's then just a case of reattaching them to the original trailer and then adding in some additional bolts. And as you can see here, I started just clamping everything together to make sure it would all fit and marking out where I needed to cut certain bits off to make room for some of the clamps on the back. But then once you've done that, if you clamp everything together, you can drill through some new holes to add in some additional bolts for some additional strength. And then I moved on to removing the rivets from the folding back panels from the donor trailer and then reattach them to the back panel of the original trailer. I reattached the hard top using the original gas struts and brackets and then started putting back all of the other clamps and locks as well. And this is the end result, which you can see gives loads more space. And it's just a case of reattaching the panels on top, drilling a few extra holes. And then you can see here the folding back panel at the back, again really gives you loads more space.